Details about my contacts are contained in the traits. I can access a traits view by clicking on Contacts and then Traits. I can use this page to create, edit, and delete different traits. With one click on a trait, I can view its identifying details. In addition to its name, I can also choose which address book should have access to this trait. This makes it easy to access existing traits even if I create a new address book. In order to save any changes that I make, I just click on the Save button. To create a new trait, I will click on the New Trait button. On the following page, I can choose what kind of trait I want. For example, a text-only trait, a date, or a yes/no field. By clicking on List Potential Values, I can create pre-defined values. If I want the trait to have several potential values, I'll make sure to check the Allow More Values slider. It's also possible to choose a default value. I can choose this by clicking on the slider next to Set as Default. This can be very helpful, particularly with numbered traits. Next, I choose which address book the trait should appear in, and finally, I click on the Create button to save the trait. Take note, to view or hide certain traits in the Contact Overview section, click on the icon on the right and check or uncheck traits. It's also possible on this page to assign a certain trait to several contacts. I click the contacts that I want and use the Options button to set the trait, and then choose which trait to assign. If the contacts are able to edit certain things about their value, for example age or gender, then I make sure to check the slider. In the next video, you'll learn about unsubscribe and blacklist management. Did you find this video helpful? If you'd like to see more videos like this one, subscribe to our YouTube channel.